object was a conflict of interest here. Dr. Schuster, he examined me first, and he discussed his diagnosis with that doctor. There's a conflict of interest here, sir.
Okay. Mr. Love, I don't want to take you into custody today, and I'm not sure there's any real reason to do that, regardless of what the testimony is or what the court's findings are.
I was worried about that, sir.
If you continue to interrupt these proceedings, I'm going to take you into custody. I'm going to remove you from the courtroom. So you can stand there and be quiet and speak when spoken to, or you can be taken into custody, all right?
Dr. Muslim, did Mr. Love come at your request to have the evaluation?
Yes, he did.
So he complied with prior contact from your office to appear and answer your questions?
Yes, he did.
Let me, without going through the specifics of your report, which has been filed with the court, could you give us your opinion and have you based an opinion on Mr. Love's competency and ability to understand the charges against him and to assist with his defense?
I based my opinion upon the psychiatric evaluation plus the information received from the Adult and Child Mental Health Center, where Mr. Love has been a patient for 4 or 5 years anyhow. It is my opinion that he does have a mental illness of paranoid schizophrenic type. That is contact with reality is not good in terms of areas. He has paranoid ideas, and I think that this condition does interfere with his competency, that he's unable to really assist you in his own defense. He has been on medication, but it's questionable in terms of how faithfully he takes it. His record of compliance with medicine has been poor.
What type of medications have been prescribed or are being prescribed for Mr. Love at this time?
At this time, he's on a new medication called risperidol, which is a medication used for schizophrenic illnesses.
And who prescribed that?
The Adult and Child Mental Health Center, the doctor down there.
I actually don't shoot on that stuff again.
Sir, did you understand what I told you? You'll be able to see what you need to see at the proper time.
How long has that medication been prescribed, Dr. Muslim?
I'm Dr. Schuster. Well,
You sure are.
The exact length of time, I'm not certain. He's been on other antipsychotic medications before that. He told me that he went to the clinic about once a month. When I talked to them by phone, they didn't give me a specific time, but it's been several months.
So there is no, it's self-medication, there is no control dispensing from any organization.
He goes there to get the medicine. It is up to him to take it.
How long have you been in the practice of psychiatric examination, Dr. Schuster?
40-some years.
Approximately how many evaluations for this course and others have you made during that period of time?
Probably up in the thousands now.
If you had to rate Mr. Love on the scale, and I'm referring to reports that I've read of yours in this case and others that I have been involved in. If you had to rate Mr. Love on the overall scale as to how he fell into the competency results that you have made during those years, where would he be?
I'm not certain I understand that word. Are you asking how many of the people that I see, how many I feel are incompetent, and how many are competent?
I'm asking that on the
In my opinion, there's no question about his having a mental illness and that he is incompetent because of the mental illness.
Did you have, as Mr. Love mentioned, a prior conversation with Dr. Nussbaum that affected your opinion of this result?
Dr. Nussbaum saw him the day after I saw him, and I don't believe I talked to Dr. Nussbaum until sometime after that.
So your evaluation was independent of any investigation of Dr. Nussbaum?
That's right.
Thank you, sir. That's all I have.
Dr. Schuster, I think I heard you say that Mr. Love is not able to assist his attorney. Is he able to understand these charges against him, or is his schizophrenia so great that he can't understand even the charges?
No, I believe he understands the charges. I think that he has common understanding of courtroom proceedings, but I believe that his ability to communicate meaningfully is distorted by his delusional ideas, paranoid ideas.
Okay. I don't have any further questions.
No, I left out an important question of Dr. Schuster, if I might. Doctor, what would be your recommendation to this court as to the treatment for Mr. Love to assist him in being able to deal with these proceedings?
I believe Mr. Love could benefit by being in the hospital for a short period of time, to be on medicine regularly, and to try to help him convince him that he needs to take his medicine faithfully every day. I think he will respond to the medication, and that the period of time in the hospital would probably be maybe 1 to 2 months.
Is there a specific facility you have in mind?
It's my understanding that in these cases, the individual is sent to the Department of Mental Health for their disposition. They usually are sent to Logansport State Hospitals.
Thank you, sir. That's all I have.
Hey, Doctor, could you, for the record, give us your educational background? And you are a medical doctor, of course.
Yes, I'm a graduate of Indiana University School of Medicine. Following internship and military service, I had specialty training in neurology and psychiatry. Was certified by the American Board of Psychiatry and Neurology in 1950. I've practiced that specialty continuously in this city since then. I'm a member of various medical organizations, clinical professor of psychiatry at the Indiana University School of Medicine, and have limited my practice to forensic psychiatry in the past 6 years.
All right. Okay. Well, the court wants to show for the record that you are a qualified medical doctor, psychiatrist, and an expert to be able to perform these examinations and give your opinion to the court. Anything else from Dr. Schuster?
No, sir.
Okay.
Dr. Nussbaum is next.
All right. Court testimony given as cause for this truth, help you out.
I do. Dr. Nussbaum, my name is Murphy, and I'm the fellow that requested the evaluation on behalf of